Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just got this in the mail today, and I figured I'd do a quick unboxing and sort of a little bit of a mini comparison to the 12 Pro Max that I've been using for the last year. Alright, so the 12 Pro Max is in the space gray, but this time I got the 13 this year I got in the Sierra Blue. So let's take a look. So first thing you notice is there's actually no plastic, right? So there's just this tab over here. So if I just take the tab off, can't be that easy, but let's take a look. No, it really is that easy. Okay, I just took the tab off and it just sort of came off. So so there's two tabs. I missed the second tab. So I'll do that just for presentation purposes. So two little tabs over there, and then you can start taking that off, and there is the new phone. So this is my first time looking at it, and it is pretty blue, although it's not as bad as, or not so much not as bad, but not as sort of bright or light as I thought it was going to be. Just want to see if I adjust the lighting in this box over here, if you can really see. It's sort of it's not as, I guess, shiny. Obviously the sides are, you know, like the chamfered edges, they're pretty metallic, and I don't know if you can tell on the video, but you can already see sort of fingerprints getting on there. But anyway, looks very nice. And right away, let me just take this off. Okay, so right away I can tell that this is definitely heavier than the 12. Ooh, just getting a New York Times notification. Let me get rid of that. So yeah, just you know, they're pretty much identical in every way, I believe. Although I think the 13 is a little bit thicker this year. But yeah, it's a slight difference in weight, but it's definitely, if you're coming from the 12 Pro Max, you're definitely going to be able to tell that the 13 is a little bit heftier. So all right, so let me put this aside for now. And like last year, you're not really getting much in the box to save, you know, the environment. So you're just getting a USB-C to Lightning cable and some paperwork. Let's see what's in here. Okay, the SIM tool and one Apple sticker this time, and warranty information and legal stuff. All right, that's basically it. You know what? In the beginning, I really didn't. I thought Apple was just being cheap, which I think they still are, not including a charging brick and all. But it actually, you know, it's not bad, because you're not really going to use that box again, are you? Anyway, ooh, almost dropped that. So back to the phone. Yeah, I definitely like this color. It's very nice. Let's see if I can get this light a little bit brighter. All right. Yeah, I do really like the way this looks. It's not sort of it's in your face, but not too much in your face, which is nice. And there you go. That's the welcome screen already. But really, I just wanted to sort of do a comparison. You know, initial. And obviously one thing this year that's supposed to be big, obviously it has a bigger battery, which is why it probably weighs more. And then the cameras are actually much bigger. So when you put these side by side, you can just see that the cameras on the 13 are, you know, take up a lot more real estate compared to the 12. And from some of the other reviews that I've seen, apparently the cameras are really good. So I'm really looking forward to testing that out. But yeah, I'm not sure if the camera bump is any bigger. I don't know if you can really see on camera, but it looks like the bump's pretty much the same. but it definitely is. The cameras themselves are, or the lenses are quite a bit bigger. But anyways, guys, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I wanted to show you the 13 Pro Max and the Sierra Blue compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Space Gray. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. So hopefully this was informative or at least somewhat entertaining. But anyways, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my user base, and it would be a great help if you could like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.